Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS has already conducted the examination in multiple shift, and now a student wanted to know the cutoff and the result date. Like what will be the cutoff and when the result will be announced. So basically expected cutoff and expected result date. So I will tell you in this video. So please watch the video till the end. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that if we update any job related video or any slot analysis, we are doing a lot of things, breaking news, so you will be able to get instantly. Okay, now, so friends, we have three sections here in the examination, you must be aware. So one is routine, and then foundation section, and then we have advanced section. Okay, now, so when routine section is not important. Okay, so you just have to select 10 images in 40 seconds. That is what I have got to know from the student, and this marks will not be counted when they are calling you for the interview. Okay, or the percentage cutoff. Then we have foundation and advanced. So friend, foundation section is for TCS Ninja. Okay, so TCS Ninja, if you clear only foundation section, then you will be called for TCS Ninja interview, and if you clear that, you will be getting a package of 3.6 LPA. Advanced section will be for TCS digital role. So if you clear foundation and advanced, you will be called for interview, and then you will be getting, if you clear that, you will be getting 7 LPA. If you don't clear that, then you will be getting TCS Ninja profile. Okay, now, so this is what is routine, foundation and advanced. Next is friends, so the first thing which you should know, TCS is having sectional cutoff or overall cutoff. Okay, so sectional cutoff or overall cutoff. So overall cutoff means, okay, so they will be counting all together. Like if you have 65 question, then they will be calculating 70% or 80% of that. Okay, now, so TCS will be, the cutoff will be around 70% expected cutoff, because I have analyzed the previous 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay, batches candidates, those who have written TCS exam. So 70% is the cutoff. And now this 70% is overall, not sectional. This 70% will be overall cutoff, not sectional. Okay, now if we'll talk about Infosys, then Infosys is having sectional cutoff. So definitely you do not have to bring these things here. So you have to understand that there is a overall cutoff. Okay, now, so you can calculate 70% of this. So 70% of this will be 42 and plus 3 40. So around 46 question you need to solve, but there is a twist here that you need to understand. Okay, now, so friends, you do not have to calculate this 70% of the 65. Actually, this exam, the percentage calculation, the cutoff calculation will be definitely relative scoring will be there, relative marking will be there, relative marking will be there. Okay, now suppose 1 lakh student took part in the exam, and the topper has done only 50 question. The topper has done only 50 question correctly. Then now 70% cutoff will be calculated of 50. 70% calculated will be of 50, not of 65. So this is the main point which you need to understand. Okay, so 70% will, so you do not have to get panic, sir. 70% of 65 is 46, but I have done only 40 question. No, you do not have to worry about that. It depends upon the topper. So how many questions the topper has done it correctly, 70% of that will be calculated. So if you have done 35 question correctly, according to the topper, then you will be called for interview. Okay, so this is what is relative scoring or relative marking. This is done for all the examination, either it is Infosys or it is TCS. Okay, but there is no sectional cutoff here. Okay, now this is clear to you. Okay, friends, also in foundation section, so if you will be talking about the exam pattern, okay, then this is the exact correct pattern. So numerical ability, you will be getting 20 question. Reasoning ability, you will be getting 20 question, and verbal ability, you will be getting 25 question. Total 75 minutes will be given for 65 questions. So basically you have to spend around 1 minute for one question, and 10 minutes you can keep it extra. Okay, so for one question you do not have to spend more than 1 minute, or you can say 1 minute 30 seconds like this. Okay, you should not spend more than 2 seconds, 2 minutes on a single question, otherwise you will not be able to attempt the remaining questions. Okay, so this is from the foundation section, which will give you a complete clarity. Now If we talk about the result date, my dear friend, see, generally the result will be announced within a month time. Okay, see, that is what we have seen. So your result will not be coming in 7 days or 10 days. Okay, so Infosys basically will be giving the result in 7 days. But if we talk about TCS, then TCS does not give the result in 7 days. Okay, and anyway, so till now I have heard that till 29th we have the exam itself. So definitely you won't be getting the result. So you will be able to expect the result in next month. Next month, you can say the third week. So September third week, you can expect the, so September third week. See, I'm telling you an expected cutoff and expected result date based on the previous examination, based on the previous data. Okay, see, I do not have any direct contact with any of the company. Okay, see, I will not say, because I will not give you any false information. All genuine information you will get from here. And now, so let us come back here. So TCS Advanced Section. So Advanced Section definitely is for TCS digital role, and which will help you to get a package of 7 LPA. Okay, 7 LPA. Now, so friends, you will be having advanced aptitude and advanced reasoning. See, advanced aptitude and advanced reasoning means, so aptitude and reasoning remain same. Only the level of the questions will be different. Level of the questions will be different. Okay. See, many YouTube channels are claiming that the advanced aptitude were easier than the foundation section. Okay, friends, don't listen them. Okay. See, we are the channel who are solving the question also. Okay. See, we are the channel who are solving the question. So every video which I upload, okay, so at least I solve few of the question, so that you understand the difficulty level of the exam, difficulty level of the question. See, basically I do not talk. Okay, I do not talk simply, I talk based on the fact. I have solved the question. So I told 19th of August questions were easy. Okay, a morning slot. 19th of August evening slot questions were tough. 20th of August the questions were moderate. So I will give you the fact, I will give you the data. I will not simply talk. Okay, so this is how I work. And then we had advanced coding section. See, advanced coding section, I will not be able to give you much idea, because my expertise is not into coding section. Okay, fine. So there'll be two advanced coding section. So one is 20 minutes for one question and 35 minutes for second question. Now, many of you will ask, sir, if I do only one coding question correctly, then I will be called for interview or not. Okay. See, friends, before that, again, I wanted to say you. So here also your cutoff will be around 70%. See, cutoff will always be decided based on the number of candidate TCS has to take. So friends, this is the expected cutoff only. Now, so friends, if you do one question correctly, all the test case passed, and in the second coding, at least if one test case is also passed, you will be called for digital interview. Okay. See, from my past experience, I'm telling, because many of the students were saying, sir, I have done one question correctly, and second question, one or two test cases were passed. Okay, then you will be called for interview. It's not like you have to do both the coding question. No. So it's not like you have to do both the coding question. I'm telling you again. Okay. And then again, overall cutoff will be also here. Overall cutoff will be here, not sectional cutoff. So that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so overall cutoff will be there, not like Infosys, there will be sectional cutoff. Okay, so and you will be able to expect your result within 1 month. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video, because I'm getting a lot of queries, sir, I am done with the exam, when can I expect the result? You relax, take some time, understand what mistake you did, understand where you can do better in future. First you do all those things, and then we will talk about results, and then we will start interview preparation. Thank you, take care, all the very best.